It's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today it's just a fun little ditty, so turn up the sound, enjoy the music, and I'll talk to you at the end. The link above or down in the description below to find out how I put together all my pouring mediums and everything else you see me do. Thank you for being here today. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's absolutely free and it really does help. Thanks for being here tonight, and I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you again soon. Bye now.